I am Sujit Kumar Sahu. My YouTube channel all about civil engineer. All are welcome. Welcome all the students and guys. Today I studied the subject environmental engineering. Environmental engineering divided two sections: water supply engineering and wastewater engineering or sanitary engineering. Sanitary now studies the sanitary engineering or wastewater engineering. Today's topic is quantity of sewage and storm water. Okay, see the PDF. Okay, today's topic is quantity of sewage and storm water. Sewage, we know the previously sewage. What is sewage and storm water? Storm water is rainwater. Okay, next introduction. The design the suitable section of sewer. It is always necessary to determine the quantity of sewage. মানে একটা সুয়ারকে ডিজাইন করার জন্য কত পরিমাণ সুয়েজ লাগবে সেটা আমাকে প্রথমে ডিটারমাইন করে নিতে হবে বা নির্ণয় করে নিতে হবে। ওকে, দ্য সুয়েজ কনসিস্ট অফ টু ক্যাটাগরিজ: ডোমেস্টিক্স অর স্যানিটারি সুয়েজ অ্যান্ড স্টর্ম ওয়াটার। ডোমেস্টিক সুয়েজ আমাদের যে বাড়ি ঘরে যে কিচেন বাথরুম তাদের থেকে যে জল বের হয়, যে সুয়েজটা বের হয় সেটা স্যানিটারি সুয়েজ অর ডোমেস্টিক সুয়েজ ইজ কল দ্য ডোমেস্টিক সুয়েজ অর স্যানিটারি সুয়েজ। স্টর্ম ওয়াটার বললাম বৃষ্টির জল, যখন যথেষ্ট বেগে মুষলধারে বৃষ্টি হলো তারপর যে জল ড্রেনের মধ্যে বয়ে যায় সেটাকে স্টর্ম ওয়াটার is called the storm water. The sanitary sewage which flow in dry season is known as dry weather flow, DWF. Very important question arise in the semester. The combined flow of sanitary sewage and storm water in rainy season is known as wet weather flow, WWF. Very important, DWF and WWF. Its difference and also full forms arise in the semester. Okay, we shall study the method of determining the dry weather flow and storm water in the flowing section. Factor affecting the quantity of sewage or DWF. Rate of water supply. The quantity of sewage varies with the rate of water supply. The water supply is not constant throughout the day. It varies with the hours of the day. Again, it varies from day to day and even from season to season. So the estimate the quantity of sewage, the rate of water supply should be taken into account. Generally, the rate of sewage is assumed equal to rate of water supply, but in practice the rate of sewage should be slightly less than the rate of water supply due to evaporation loss and absorption loss. It is found that the rate of sewage is about 60 to 70% of the rate of water supply. Okay, population. The quantity of sewage depend on the population of the town or city. With the increase in population, the quantity of water also increase. So the population of the town or city after 2 or 3 decades should be ascertained by suitable method of population forecast. Nature of water. Quantity of sewage depend on the area of the town, such as residential area, industrial area or the commercial area. মানে এরিয়ার উপর ডিপেন্ড করছে যে এরিয়াটা কীরকম, ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল, কমার্শিয়াল অর রেসিডেন্সিয়াল। কোয়ান্টিটি অফ সুয়েজ টেকেন দ্য ইকুয়াল টু দ্য কোয়ান্টিটি অফ ওয়াটার সাপ্লাইড টু কনজিউমার। In industrial area, the quantity of water varies with the types of industry, so the quantity should be determined by actual survey of industry. Infiltration. What is infiltration? The subsoil water may percolate in the sewer through the defective joint or crack in it. The joint may be defective due to poor material, inferior workmanship. The crack in the sewer may be formed due to careless handling during conveyance. Crack may be also be formed by the roots of the tree existing along the swale line. However, it is very difficult to determine the quantity of water infiltration to swale. For design purpose, the quantity of water entering the swale is assumed considering the length of swale, number of joints, and the diameter of swale. Determine the of dry weather flow DWF. Okay, DWF equal to total quantity of water supply plus addition due to infiltration etc minus subtraction due to leakage and consumption. DW is equal to 7 to 80% of total quantity water supply. Very important. Variation of flow of sewage. Okay, the flow of sewage directly related to flow of water supply, as water supply varies from hour to hour, day to day, month to month, season to season. Okay, factor affecting storm water কি কি ফ্যাক্টর উপর ডিপেন্ড করে? ইন্টেন্সিটি অফ রেইনফল, very important, soil characteristics, topography, shape and size of the catchment, geological condition, vegetative cover in the area, weather condition. This point is very important. Determination of rainfall intensity. Rainfall intensity কিভাবে নির্ণয় করব? I equal to 672 বা T plus 10 for storm duration 5 to 10 minutes. Very important. 5 to 20 minutes. Okay, I equal to 1020 by T plus 10 from storm duration 20 to 100 minutes. I equal to 3430 T plus 18 where the rainfall frequent and more than 100 minutes. I intensity rainfall millimeter per hour. Take a storm duration in minute. Determine of runoff coefficient. Okay, K is table. K. Determine the K is from the table. Consumption storm water. Rational method, empirical method. Very important. Rational method or empirical method. Rational method is Q equal to KIA 360. We studied the irrigation engineering. This formula, rational method, Q equal to KIA 360. Q storm water in cubic, K equal to runoff coefficient in permeability factor, I equal to intensity of rainfall in millimeter per hour, equal to catchment area in hectares. Example, একটা প্রবলেম দেওয়া আছে, প্রবলেমটাকেও আমাদের দেখে নিতে হবে। দ্য ক্যাচমেন্ট এরিয়া 20 square kilometer consists of 2/3 of rural, 1/3 urban area. Rainfall in the area is recorded as 25 millimeter per hour. Find the quantity of storm water in the area. So the water total area 20 square kilometer, kilometer square, 20 1000 into 1000 square meter square হয়ে গেল। তার মানে হচ্ছে equal to 2000 hectares. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. Rural area 2000 into 2 by 3. 2/3 আছে rural area, 2/3 given in the question, 2/3 and urban 1/3 equal to 133.33 hectares, 666.67 hectares urban area. Intensity I equal to 25 mm per hour. Assume runoff coefficient K equal to rural 0.3 and urban area 0.5 from the table. We know the formula Q equal to KIA by 360. Just put the value K 0.3 to 25. Just put the value and answer is given 50.925 meter cube per second or 50925 liter per second. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. We know that. Okay, next is empirical formula. Just English formula, very important. Q equal to 123,100 A by root over 1 plus 10.36. Okay, Raven's formula important. Q equal to 15 CA 2 by 3. Taken such a 3 by 4. 14 CA 3 by 4. Okay, if love or like our video, please share, subscribe and also comment our comment section. Okay, thank you.